Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. All 60 something of you loyal subscribers, thank you very much. Appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. This is my birthday weekend, and Rosie and I were actually heading to Big Bear. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we finally made it to Big Bear, and holy shit, look, we parked right here. Look at how close to the damn rock. So our first stop is going to be right here in Castle Rock Trail. So we're gonna go ahead and do that one. It says it's about a mile, so let's check it out, man. Let's go. I think I've taken about 50, 60 steps and I'm exhausted. So when you guys do come here, the first part of the trail is pretty steep. You probably can't see it through here, but man, it's quite an incline. All right, so quick tip for you guys, when you guys do make it down here, as soon as you guys climb up the rocks, which will be at the beginning, it's like the steepest part of the trail, you guys will bump into this little pile of rocks. It might not have the red bull can when you guys make it here. At this point, the trail splits into two ways. You can go left, you can go right. Make sure you guys go right, because the right side is the one that's gonna lead you to the rock castle. And that's a very helpful tip that I got from Michael Shepherd Jordan. You guys check out his channel if you guys love hiking trails. I'll link it down below. Alright, so I'm not sure where we're at. We've been just climbing some rocks. Nice view of the lake out there. And we did bump into some rope. If you do decide to do this trail, I highly recommend you do not come about an hour or an hour and a half before sunset. It gets really dark. All right guys, so we just got to our hotel room. After that hike, we're gonna go inside, change, and then go right across the street. There's a cantina, grab something to eat, maybe something to drink. And but yeah, why don't you go ahead and check out our room. So this is where we're gonna go at. So we just gotta jaywalk. All right, so we've been trying to jaywalk for like a few minutes, and there's always cars coming, but I think we have our window of opportunity right about now. Let's go. All right, we made it. Woo, what a mission.
We're so hungry. We hadn't eaten in a long time.
2 mojitos.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
Cheers.
Perfect. Oh God, I feel like I needed this. This is really the first time we actually dine in, right?
Yeah.
Since the global pandemic. Cheers for dining in for now. Thank you, man.
Anything else I can get you guys?
Alright, so if you guys ever make it to Big Bear Lake, you definitely have to try Sonora Cantina. Their chicken quesadillas and their chicken taquitos, they're so good. Not to mention their mojitos. Man, they're off the hook. We already had 2 of them.
How many more are we gonna have?
How many more are we gonna have? I don't know. Maybe 21, 22, 23, 24, 20. Hey, good morning guys. It is now December 14th, officially my birthday. So we're about to head out and you know, explore Big Bear. So let's go. guess what? We're back here at Sonora Cantina. This place was just amazing. We had to come back and check out the breakfast, which is also really good. And I want to thank everyone that wished me a happy birthday today. Appreciate all the love. Thank you. Coffee. Can't start my day without it.
Our next stop was at the Mineshaft Coaster off of Big Bear Boulevard, adjacent to the Alpine Slide at Magic Mountain. Parking is free. Tickets are $20 per adult, $10 per child. You will have to sign a waiver through the iPads, and right after you do that, make your way to the cash register where they take cash only.
Alright guys, so we are still in this Alpine coaster, and they had technical difficulties, and this coaster is currently not working anymore, which kind of sucks because we were literally next. And now we can't ride it anymore because it's not working, so we gotta get off. We'll try again tomorrow. If you guys want to capture some really cool pictures here in Big Bear, definitely check out Big Bear Lake East Boat Ramp. It's got this really cool pathway where it leads up to the edge of some rocks, and you get a beautiful view of the snow resort right there.
And if you plan to come to Big Bear to get some skiing or perhaps some snowboarding done, make sure you do check out the website at Bear Mountain and purchase your tickets in advance and make reservations.
Alright guys, so we are back again at the Mineshaft Coaster, and it looks like the coaster is actually working today. Hopefully it doesn't break down when we're next. So let's go. guys. Well, that ride was really cool. Alright guys, well that was it. That was our trip to Big Bear. It was a cold weekend. It's 19 degrees right now. Well, if you do make it to Big Bear during the Christmas holidays, make sure you check out the village. You will definitely feel the Christmas spirit as every tree is lit up. Well, as much as I like the village, it is time for me to go. It is 19 degrees out here and I am freezing. But don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that would be a great birthday present from you to me. So I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Gotta go find some coffee now. Woo, so cold.